Some of the biggest secrets in Switzerland are hidden in the mountains. Today we are exploring one of them, La Caverna, a real-life mountain fortress.
Hey guys! So today we are back in Athens and we are checking out the fortress most people don't even know exists. The fortress is hidden right here in this mountain. So let's go! We are almost there. Alright, this is it. The entrance is cut straight into the rock. Now it's a museum, but for decades this was completely off limits.
They started carving the fortress into the mountain in 1939 to protect the heart of Switzerland.
From far away, you would never guess there is anything here. But once you are up close, you realize there is something special about this place. Let's check out what's around the outside.
Every element here, from doors to vents and hinges, is built tough and made to stay hidden.
You could walk right past it and not even realize it's a fortress. And this here is a 20mm anti-aircraft gun. It was mainly used to shoot down low-flying planes during World War II.
This whole area was part of a larger defense network. From up here, soldiers could spot movement across the valley long before anyone got close.
Here is another one. Looks a bit different, right? If you know what model this is, drop it in a comment. I'll be watching to see who gets it first.
Right next to it is a concrete wall with a firing hole. Just one more way they defend the area.
This view is amazing. You get the whole valley. Nathers right under us, Simplon Pass all the way on the other side, and Brig just down below, across the river. If you want to check Brig, hit that subscribe button, because my next video is all about it. I got access to check a bit of inside, so let's go in.
Right away, you notice the temperature drops and the walls close in. It feels completely different from outside. Once you are in, this tunnel goes way deep. You can find the signs for the kitchen, bunks, even escape routes. Once you are inside, it becomes clear. This isn't just a bunker, it's a full underground fortress. It was built as a part of Switzerland's plan to protect key access points like Brig and the Simplon Tunnel. By 1940, the first troops were already stationed here, In the following years, they added two 10.5 cm fortress guns and anti-aircraft weapons. Complex stretches over a kilometer through solid mountain. It was designed to support up to 200 soldiers with everything they needed to operate underground: barracks, command posts, kitchens, ammunition storage, medical base, and power stations. Power came from diesel generators. Massive air filters kept the air breathable, even in the event of a gas attack. Every hallway and room was laid out with precision, from the officers' mess to the National Bank vault.
And this room is all about natural crystals found in this mountain over here.
This is Switzerland's first dedicated museum to mineral hunting crafts. You'll see quartz and other minerals that formed deep underground and slowly pushed up over millions of years. The exhibit is set inside a real mountain tunnel, so it feels like the kind of space crystal hunters actually worked in.
And this display here shows it all. Starting over 13 kilometers below the surface to the point where we are standing right now.
We are back outside, but it's really cool to see this place inside. It's amazing how much things are hidden inside. And can you believe that this place was built 39? Locals almost never saw soldiers around here. They lived entirely inside this mountain, working, training, even sleeping underground for weeks at a time. Check this out. Right here is a firing slit, almost hidden inside the stone. These details are easy to miss unless you are really looking for them. Same goes for vents and escape hatches. Everything here was made to stay out of sight. When you walk around, you start to realize how well everything blends in. It makes you look twice at every part of this mountain.
Even from just a few meters away, some of these defenses are almost invisible. You'd never spot them unless you knew what to look for.
Now volunteers are taking care about this place. They saved all gear, maps, uniforms, and they run the tours. If you ask me, places like this are really worth of seeing in person. And if you are near Naters, you should take your time and visit La Caverna. That's it from Naters. If you like this, hit that subscribe button and see you in the next video.